Hello, this is Reasoning and Proof, Deductive Reasoning, Example 4. Here we have to analyze these arguments and say if they're valid or not. And it has to do with the law of detachment. And the law of detachment is how to apply these conditional statements. And if the conditional statement is true, and P is true, then you can conclude that Q is true. And this bottom part, this then part, the Q is true, that's the whole part of this law of detachment. So the conditional statement true, P is true, that implies Q is true. So the first statement says PQ, P implies Q's part is that if Jamal misses practice, then he is not a starter in the game. So this is the P arrow Q part, and then it says he misses practice. So this is true. If he misses practice, he will not be a starter. Also, we know that P is true. He missed practice. Therefore, he will not be a starter. That is a valid statement, and it is a good application of the law of detachment. Let's look at B. First of all, we need P arrow Q to be a true statement, and then we need P to be true. So if they're a linear pair, then they are supplementary, and that's true. And then it says they're supplementary. So that's Q, it's not P. See, in order for the law of detachment, we need P arrow Q, and that's no problem. Linear pair implies they're supplementary. But in order to apply the law of attachment, we would have to know that they are a linear pair. So this is not true. And they could be supplementary without being a linear pair. If you have any, let's say that this is an 80-degree angle, and then you take another angle that's 100 degrees, and they're not even connected to each other, these two are still supplementary. That's the counterexample.